Welcome to Tech Adopters, the podcast that brings you cutting-edge insights on technology adoption for enterprise decision makers. I am your host, Maria Karandin, VP at NIX. Today, we're diving into the world of retail IT outsourcing and its transformative impact on the industry. In today's rapidly evolving retail landscape, technology has become a cornerstone for success. As businesses strive to meet the ever-changing demands of consumers, IT outsourcing has emerged as a strategic solution for retailers looking to stay competitive and innovative. Let's begin by examining the current state of the retail industry. The sector has witnessed significant shifts in recent years, with e-commerce experiencing exponential growth and traditional brick-and-mortar stores adapting to new realities. The COVID-19 pandemic has further accelerated these changes, pushing retailers to embrace digital transformation at an unprecedented pace. In this context, IT outsourcing offers numerous benefits for retailers. First and foremost, it provides access to specialized expertise and cutting-edge technologies that may not be available in-house. This is particularly crucial in areas such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analytics, technologies that are reshaping the retail experience. Moreover, outsourcing allows retailers to optimize their IT spending, reducing operational costs while improving efficiency. By partnering with external IT providers, businesses can focus on their core competencies while leaving complex technical tasks to experts. Now let's delve into the key areas where IT outsourcing is making a significant impact in retail, such as e-commerce development, omnichannel integration, supply chain management, cybersecurity, data analytics, and business intelligence. With the rise of online shopping, robust e-commerce platforms have become essential. IT outsourcing partners can help retailers build and maintain scalable, user-friendly online stores that provide seamless shopping experiences. The next significant area of impact is data analytics and business intelligence. Outsourcing data-related tasks enables retailers to gain valuable insights into customer behavior, market trends, and operational efficiency. This data-driven approach facilitates informed decision-making and personalized marketing strategies. Omnichannel integration is necessary for a successful business. IT outsourcing can help retailers create a unified experience across various channels, including physical stores, websites, mobile apps, and social media platforms. And what about the impact of IT outsourcing on supply chain management? Advanced technologies like IoT and blockchain can optimize supply chain processes. Outsourcing partners with expertise in these areas can help retailers implement such solutions effectively. The last but not the least area I'd like to highlight today is cybersecurity. As retail becomes increasingly digital, protecting customer data and maintaining secure transactions is paramount. IT outsourcing can provide robust security measures and ensure compliance with data protection regulations. While the benefits of IT outsourcing in retail are clear, it's crucial to approach it strategically. Retailers must carefully select their outsourcing partners, ensuring they align with the company's goals and values. Clear communication, well-defined objectives, and regular performance evaluations are essential for successful outsourcing relationships. As we conclude today's episode, it's evident that IT outsourcing has become a vital tool for retailers navigating the digital age. By leveraging external expertise and resources, businesses can enhance their technological capabilities, improve customer experiences, and stay ahead in a competitive market. Remember, in today's fast-paced retail environment, agility and innovation are key to success. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Adopters. I'm Maria Karandin. I lead the delivery department for NIX clients, focusing on retail and e-commerce. Subscribe to our podcast and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Read our article for more details. You will find it in the description of this episode. Or contact our team to learn how IT outsourcing will benefit your organization. Until the next time, and keep innovating.